Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with a really exciting work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is going to go really fast, so if you're interested, go ahead and get that application in ASAP. The links to the application and job page that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the huge retailer Target. Now, if you've ever shopped at Target, you may know that they have their own branded credit card called the Red Card. You can see right here in the top of the bar. They try to get people to sign up for their credit card. It gives you 5% cash back on all purchases. And today, Target is hiring a home-based senior specialist for collections accounts for that Red Card. Now, one thing to quickly note, this is in select states of the United States only. They're looking for people who live in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Texas, South Dakota, or Arizona. They are paying $18 an hour. This is a completely remote work from home job if you live in those states, and they are going to provide the computer equipment you need to get started. Now, it says they're looking for someone to work in the collections department for the Red Card to interact with delinquent guests and negotiate payment arrangements for both inbound and outbound collections. You'll provide the Target brand interaction with credit account holders by treating them with respect and appreciation, displaying courtesy and friendliness, and recognizing various account holder segments and providing appropriate workable solutions. So you'll help them get back on track, find payment solutions, take payments over the phone from them. You'll problem solve by making suggestions for handling the exceptional account situations like bankruptcy, deceased, legal, fraud, billing disputes. You'll work with different types of media such as emails, phone calls, chat messages, and letters. Now, they are looking for somebody to start by April 24th of 2023. They are going to provide training. The training schedule is Monday through Thursday, 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Friday 6:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and then every third Saturday it's 5 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So it's one Saturday a month. And then they have the permanent schedules listed below. You need to make sure that those schedules work for you. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, someone who can work nights and weekends and be a little bit flexible in their schedule. Somebody has 1 to 2 years of previous customer service experience, excellent communication skills, and great listening and negotiation skills, great problem solving and decision making skills. Now, one thing to note, they want you to be able to hardwire the internet into your computer. So you need to have a space where it's not completely Wi-Fi and you can take your modem box and run a cord into your computer to connect to the Target issued computer. So they are going to give you all the computer equipment you need. You just need to have the internet. All right, please comment down below if you have any suggestions of what I could do different or how I could make this channel better. I'm always looking to improve. And also, if you feel free, comment down below anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.